In front of me is OPPO Find and to Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Finally, you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on Vibration Intensity. Over here, you can adjust the intensity of vibrations for incoming calls and notification ones by swiping left or right on those two sliders. When you're ready, click on this gray area and scroll down. Now click on Ringtone. Over here, select Vibration at the top and tap on the best option for your incoming calls. You can disable vibrations completely by choosing No Vibration. Tap on this feature to synchronize them with Ringtone, or just tap on one of those patterns, like Short. When you're ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, select Haptics and Tones and tap on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable them for touches, swipes, and more. If you decide to enable this feature, you can also adjust haptic intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!